Jai Hind, dear friends. I am retired Wing Commander Manish Mishra. Scope Defence Academy is being established with the noble aim of motivating our youngsters to join the armed forces and prepare them for these services. It's a very unique establishment by itself because it has got experienced armed forces veterans to provide hands-on training and mock tests, very high quality faculties from Scope Global Skills University. It has got physical fitness trainers, good sports grounds, indoor sports rooms, gym and other facilities. It has a very well furnished hostel accommodation also, and it provides a good canteen for hygienic and healthy food. Therefore, I request and I advise all the youngsters to join Scope Defence Academy and join the armed forces. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.